Hi there.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi guys.
So we are the tiny campers, Indian camping family.
We're going to start.
Tomorrow we have planned to visit Bannerghatta Zoo.
We're going to see.
Yes, Bannerghatta Zoo.
Yeah.
We're going to see Bannerghatta Zoo.
Yeah. What will you see in Bannerghatta Zoo, Lucky?
Wolves,
Okay.
Then,
tigers,
okay,
and cubs.
cubs. What cubs?
Tiger cubs
Oh my God. Scaring me? Okay.
and elephants.
Elephants as well?
Yes.
Okay. Then what else you want to see? Giraffe?
Yes.
How is giraffe? Tall, is it?
Daddies.
Oh, like that.
Yes.
Okay, nice.
Yeah. You can pack all these animals.
I know.
Yeah. In your bag. Giraffe. And this is.
You carrying everything? Say hi, Lucky. Where are we going now? You want to see animals?
Tiger, lion, cheetah, fox,
Then,
cow, and pig.
there's no cow there, man.
Who's in the farm?
Yes, you're right.
So let's go to the zoo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Up and down.
Relaxing, sumptuous meal and full of energy, our fellow tiny camper is excited to visit his animal friends. His excitement is spreading to us as well. As it was a weekday, it was easy to get our tickets, less crowd, and so we could maintain safe distancing. The zoo is very well maintained and organized. Kudos. Let's get going. As we all know, there is a reason that Old MacDonald is the most beloved song of the toddler years. Kids love animals, so best thing for animal education is outing to the zoo. Being here, they see what they have been reading about animals and turn their imagination into reality. And we will be delighted to see them cherish the moment. Lucky! It was indeed a beautiful day outing and pleasant weather too. Bye bye, animal friends! After exit, you can buy some souvenirs and it's reasonably priced with a good bargain. But due to this pandemic, we hope not to bargain to support local lives. So hope you enjoyed this video, stay blessed and happy camping!
Tractor, tractor. Tractor, tractor on the farm. E-I-E-I-O. Working, working in the farm. E-I-E-I-O. Working, working on the farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Yeah, we had a wonderful time today at Bannerghatta Zoo. And lucky too, is it? So now we're heading back home. See you soon with our next travel video in our camper car. Right? Yeah. Hi there. We
Hello.
are the Tiny Campers, Indian camping family. Look, Dada. Tell Dada. Lucky, tell Dada. We are the Tiny Campers.
Yeah, the thank you, camera.